See, operations management is all about balancing demand with available capacity in different environments. Mostly that comes to your mind is the factories, but it can happen in hospitals or restaurants. And this balancing act becomes tricky because demand and capacity often don't match up due to variability in both sides. Now, say for example, a restaurant may not have enough people during the evening times, but at dinner times, let us say peak hours from 9 o'clock, there might be too much rush and they might not be able to sit everyone inside. Similarly, a factory also might face unexpected changes in the types of products needed due to market fluctuations. Capacity can also change based on factors like the number of available workers, whether the equipment was functioning properly, whether there was enough input materials available, all of that stuff. Now, to handle these ups and downs, the organization need to create buffers. There is absolutely no other way. So, the strategically placed buffers can manage these variability effectively. There are three main types of buffers. The first one is the capacity buffer, then there is an inventory buffer, and then there is a time buffer. The capacity buffers are extra capacity that are kept on hand to deal with this unexpected demand or delays whenever they come. Then there are inventory buffers, which are nothing but stocks of products that help smooth out demand changes and keep things running smoothly. So, for example, the input materials, if I put it on inventory buffer, it will keep on feeding my lines. Then there are time buffers that refer to the waiting time that a customer experience for products or services. These can be managed to spread out the orders according to available capacity. Now, these buffers rely on each other. For example, if capacity use is too high, then automatically the waiting times can increase for the customers. At the same point of time, a good inventory management can help reduce these waiting times. So, many companies struggle with buffer management because they focus too much on cutting costs and they look at these buffers as costs, forgetting how important the planned capacity is. Okay. So, successful companies like Toyota, for example, they show the benefits of keeping capacity buffers to handle demand changes and provide reliable service. To improve operations, businesses should set clear buffer levels based on customer needs and keep an eye on the depletion of these buffers as a continuous measurement to improve. In essence, understanding that buffers help manage operations effectively is the key. Companies should view using buffers as a positive strategy for long-term success and not as a waste.